Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram login error. First, you need to check your internet connection, and if your internet are not connecting, then connect your internet first. If it's not working, then switch your internet Wi-Fi to data or data to Wi-Fi. If it's still not working, then turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and turn it off. If it's still not working, first you need to see the any updates are available for the app or not. Then if you are Android user, go to the Play Store. If you are iPhone user, go to the App Store and go to the search and search the app. If you see their update and update it and go back to your app and open it again. After all doing this, still your app is not loading, then go to your phone setting and tap on the app management and go to the app list and search for your looking app. And if you see their storage and cache, then go on the storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. Sometime if your storage is full, then it might be also the problem for the app. And after all doing this, it still not working, then it might be server problem or app problem. Then you need to wait for a few seconds, and you also can ask for support team. After all doing this, you need to wait for a few seconds and it is still not working, then restart your device and check it again. That's you can fix the Instagram login error. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys are liked it. If it helps, then like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.